It's a day in the life of DC. It's a day in the.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thanks for tuning in today. Today we're going to do a hair tutorial. So today is my wash day. That's why my hair looks super crazy. So I'm gonna wash my hair, condition it, and then I think I'm gonna do a twist out. So if you're interested, continue watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let's get into this tutorial. For starters, if you watched my last hair tutorial, you know that I wore it in a wash and go type of style. So today I'm just going to use a spray bottle just filled with water, and I just spray it just to loosen it up a little bit because it is a little tight. And this is prior to me actually washing it. What I'm going to do first, because it is probably a little tangly, is I'm going to use, I went to the store, I actually went to Myers, but you can probably get it from any grocery store, and bought an aloe vera leaf. So you're going to see me put this in. I put this in first. It helps with detangling to get your hair soft and more manageable. And then I'm going to wash it, condition it, and then you'll see me style it. So as far as the shampoo, just so you know what I shampoo with, I usually try to use a sulfate free shampoo. Anyone would do. So currently I'm using Carol's Daughter. You can see that, black vanilla. This is sulfate free shampoo. That's what I use. I wash it like 3 times. And then for the conditioning process, as far as the conditioner that I use this. This is Joico Moisture Recovery. This is the bomb.com. Comment below if you ever use this and you know any other products that work just as good. Let me know. But this is the bomb.com. Anybody who's natural, if you haven't found a good conditioner that helps with detangling, and it provides like slip, make sure your hair tangle free, this right here is the go. That's why I have a gallon. So I use that, and then I also combine it with oil. So after which you guys will see with the conditioning process, I did make a mixture of oil that I use, essential oil. Now you don't really need to probably add all of these oils together, but I just find that it works. You can look up on Google the different benefits of each of these oils, but as you will see in the video, as I'm adding my conditioner, I add all of these oils. I mix them up in a bottle. So I add to a bottle. This is the bottle that they're mixed up in. I know you're probably looking like, oh, that's a mustard container. It is, but I got this back when the pandemic started, where the beauty supplies was closed and you couldn't really find a bottle anywhere because people were using it for cleaning products. So it works the same. Actually, you do want one with a tip like this because it's easier to put in between the parts. But you'll see, this is what they're all mixed up in. With some water just to loosen it up. I do section it off in 4 sections, and I just work with a section at a time. Again, I apply the aloe vera to my hair first. Paper towel down to catch it, because it can get messy, and like I said, sometimes it does stain. So as you can see, I cut it and then I split it in half. Of course, be careful with your fingers. I've already sectioned off my hair. It doesn't have to be perfectly even. Put a section off. Right now we're gonna deal with this section. So I literally just take it and rub it on my roots. And you're gonna see all of this. Rub it to the tip. And I know it looks crazy, but it works. And then it gets like this. Take the other piece, do the same thing. Rub it through the section. Because you want to make sure it's fully coated so it's dry in between. And usually I only need one aloe vera leaf for my whole head. So hey guys, so I'm back out the shower. I am just drying off my hair. I'm actually doing it with a t-shirt. If you had a microfiber towel, you can use that, or if not, just use a t-shirt like I did. So now I'm gonna section my hair off, and again I'm going to use the Joico Moisture Recovery Conditioner. And after I put that in, I am going to sit under the dryer. Sometimes I sit under there for an hour. I don't know, it might be like 45 minutes. So keep watching. And as you can see, this is what it should look like. If you have enough conditioner, when you twist it, it should come out. You should see, it should look just like this if you have enough conditioner in your hair.
Went from hands on the wheel to hands on my thigh, to hands on my body in the back of the Porsche. I'm in love with your fingertips. I reminisce places you kiss.
Hi guys, so I'm back. My hair is freshly washed and conditioned, as you've seen, and I set on the dryer. So now I'm going to do a twist out. Normally I use the Cantu Focus leave-in conditioner. Sometimes I pair it with the Curls Cream Brulee. This product actually smells really good, so that's why I like to pair it. But I think pretty much any cream-based product should work. I haven't ran into any issues. The thing to be mindful of is sometimes, depending on what you have in your hair, if you're trying to mix products, sometimes certain products don't mix. So you can take a little bit of a product, mix them on your hand. If it starts to ball up, then you know those products don't mesh well. So you can try that. But if you're just using one product, you shouldn't have a problem. So continue watching. You're gonna see me do my twist out, and then you'll see the finished results. twisting process. This is what it looks like. This is the end result. I'm gonna leave this in overnight, and then I am going to untwist it in the morning. Like I said, you can put like some oil on your hand and untwist it just to make sure it doesn't frizz, and then you can style it as desired. So keep watching and I'll show you the end result. Hey guys, so this is my end result. I just did up down, put in my top in a bun, but this is the end result of the twist out. Again, you can style it however you like. If you want to style it down, if you want to do it something like this, up down, or if you want to just wear this piece down, whatever you like you can do, but this is the end result. So once you untwist it, this is what it will look like. And then of course, you know, as the days go on, you can separate it more to get it bigger, or you can fluff it up as need be. As far as my edges, I did lay down a little bit. If you feel like you want to lay it down a little more, you can, and tie it up for a sleeker look. But this is the look I'm going for, a more natural look. So this is what, give it a try. Tell me how it works out. You can leave me a comment below. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and tune in for my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.